Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
Alright, this is a really cool, quick and easy way to have a nice little marinade for your ham if you have run out of time. Now you get about 1/4 cup of mustard and 1/2 cup of ginger beer or ginger ale. Now basically, if you want more than that, it's just 2 parts ginger ale, ginger beer, 1 part mustard, and just mix it in. Yummy. So you can just prepare your ham, if you're cooking a ham, however you would, and pour this over it. It's a really, really yummy marinade. So simple, just 2 ingredients.